Hello, Internet. Did you guys know that you can put emojis in just about anywhere you can type on a Windows PC? So I'm going to show you a couple examples and I'm going to show you how. So first we're going to do a new message in Gmail. So see, we have the cursor, we're typing, even if it's in the to. So what you do is you hit the Windows key, hold it down, and press the semicolon key, which is next to L below P. Brings up this screen. Okay, and from here you can put some emojis wherever you want. Ta-da! Emojis. Let's go to the subject line. See, once we stop typing, then we have to do it again. So Windows key semicolon, and let's go to here. There. Oh, right here. Let's do some smiley faces. Yay, super happy. Sunglasses, I'm cool. And I feel loved. Woohoo! Emojis. And then again, subject line, same thing, you get the picture. So let us bring over a Word document. So this is in Word. Same thing, if you're typing, Windows key semicolon. Ta-da! Sunglasses, tongue out. This is cool. And that is how you add emojis to anything you're typing. Say YouTube video description, like I said, Word document or an email, chat program, whatever. Just like on your phone, how you can bring up emojis from your keyboard, you can do the same thing with a Windows computer. Hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you have a beautiful day.